and what's up, cherry popping fans? My name is Sophie and welcome to Cherry Pop Productions. You know, ever since I made a custom DIY Happy Meal, everyone's been asking, "Hey Sophie, how did you make a custom DIY Happy Meal?" Oh, it's very easy. All you have to do is, why don't you make a video out of it? Oh, that's a very great idea. And this is what the video is all about. I'm going to show you how to make your very own custom DIY Happy Meal. Let's go. To make your custom DIY Happy Meal, first you will need a Happy Meal box, like this one. To get your very own box, all you have to do is go to your nearest McDonald's and ask for one. Next, we need a design to cover the whole box. You can use a wrapping paper or you can print a design. Like me, I chose this design. It looks similar to the under wraps. See? Next, we need to stick the design on the box. You can use glue or double tape like me. I'm gonna stick double tape all around the box. And ta-da! It's done! Look! Next, we're gonna remove all of the double tape's cover and place the design paper on top. Look, I removed all of it. Now time to place the design paper on top. Next, time to cut off the excess paper. See the excess right here? Like this one. We're gonna cut it off. Ta-da! Look, we're halfway done. Now we need to do the same thing on this side. And ta-da, look! We covered the whole box. Now all we have to do is stick some designs on the box. These are all the designs that I'm gonna put on the box. And ta-da! It's done! Look at it! Look, don't they look similar? And look who decided to join us! It's my yellow elf! Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully you can make your own custom DIY Happy Meal. Please smash that like button if you like this video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and make sure to turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Well, that's it for today. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye!